What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So if you watched yesterday's video, rolling that right into today's video, a little more MotoGP news, but on the better side of things. The super fun and always great to watch Cal Crutchlow is replacing Franco Morbidelli for the Austrian and British rounds. I think it's 3 rounds that he's going to be riding. If you've never heard of Cal Crutchlow, in 168 starts, he has 3 wins, 19 podiums, 4 poles, and 4 fastest laps. He's been riding MotoGP since, or had been, let's say that, 2011, which he mostly ran on the Tech 3 Yamaha and then the HCR Honda, something like that. He's, the satellite rider for both those teams, but super fun guy. Obviously, very talented, very fun to watch, always hard to pass. And with Franco Morbidelli's injury, they needed a rider, so he's been a Yamaha test rider since, well, I think 2020. So it's not really that big a surprise that they're gonna pull in, somebody who already knows the bikes, already has some knowledge of how they're running, the setups that they're doing. Obviously being the test rider, he's the one that gets first crack at everything, all the new parts, all the new settings and all that kind of stuff to see how it works. And so it'd be cool. He's not just going to jump onto a bike and be, what is this? What am I doing? Why doesn't this feel right? Because obviously he's been riding them all year long. So this is kind of, neat news. Obviously, this comes after, well, this actually came out before the Valentino Rossi thing, but Valentino Rossi thing was more important than this, let's be honest here. But yeah, it's kind of sad for that, but cool for this, because it's always fun to see somebody that's like a cool rider and has a good personality and stuff get a little cameo experience. So not much to say about this. Obviously, he's only going to be in around for three rounds while Franco Morbidelli heals and everything. So yeah, tell me what you think down below. Were you ever a fan of his? Are you excited to see him? Do you think he's going to do well? Whatever you want, comment down below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the little bell to let you know when I'm posting. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.